1. 1948 Chevrolet 3600, Pickup Pro Street. Price, $60,000, located, Arvada, Colorado. The 1948 Chevrolet 3600, Pickup Pro Street is a beautifully crafted custom truck that combines timeless vintage styling with impressive modern performance. Finished in brilliant red with a gray interior, this rare long-bed Chevrolet has remained with the same owner for more than 4 decades and retains approximately 84,000 documented original miles supported by an extensive collection of receipts. The truck is powered by a newly installed Chevrolet 350 V8 featuring the legendary 010 block, enhanced with a polished Wian supercharger and distinctive shotgun intake setup that delivers outstanding power while creating an unforgettable appearance under the hood. A modern 700R4 overdrive automatic transmission provides smooth cruising and comfortable highway driving. The upgraded chassis includes modern front and rear suspension components, an 8.5-inch 10-bolt rear differential, front power disc brakes, and a Howe Racing aluminum radiator for dependable cooling. The polished aluminum diamond plate bed perfectly complements the stunning exterior, highlighted by an award-quality paint finish featuring professionally applied ghost flames valued at more than $20,000. Inside, the nearly completed interior features performance gauges, a modern Pioneer sound system, and tasteful custom styling. Built without compromise and meticulously maintained, this exceptional Pro Street Chevrolet truck delivers outstanding craftsmanship, reliable performance, and remarkable show-quality presentation for collectors and enthusiasts alike. 2. 1967 Chevrolet Nova 2. Price, $59,500, located, Peyton, Colorado. The 1967 Chevrolet Nova 2 Pro Street is a stunning custom-built muscle car that combines show-quality appearance with outstanding street performance. Finished in deep black with a matching black interior, this professionally built Nova has been driven approximately 1,234 miles since completion and remains in exceptional condition. Power comes from a carefully built 355 cubic inch Chevrolet V8 that delivers a powerful exhaust note and impressive acceleration. The engine is backed by a freshly rebuilt 700R4 automatic transmission equipped with a 2800 stall converter, providing smooth cruising and quick launches. A Chevrolet 12-bolt rear axle with aggressive 4.56 gears has been recently rebuilt and works perfectly with the ladder bar rear suspension and adjustable coilover shocks to maximize traction. The car also features a fully functional nitrous oxide system with a 100 horsepower shot that has seen very limited use. Massive Mickey Thompson Street radial tires complete the aggressive Pro Street stance. High-quality custom graphics, a full ceramic coating, and newly installed chrome bumpers give this Nova outstanding visual appeal. Combining dependable performance, premium components, beautiful craftsmanship, and excellent drivability, this 1967 Chevrolet Nova 2 is an exceptional American Pro Street classic ready to impress both on the street and at local car shows. 3. 1982 Honda Accord LXS Coupe 2D. Price, $30,000, located, Cheyenne, Wyoming. The 1982 Honda Accord LXS Coupe is a unique Pro Street custom build that transforms Honda's classic compact coupe into an eye-catching high-performance machine. Finished in vibrant orange with a contrasting black interior, this heavily modified Accord has been driven approximately 2,000 miles and presents an unmistakable appearance unlike any factory-produced example. Commonly referred to as a Hondalet, the vehicle has been extensively customized to create a bold Pro Street personality while maintaining the recognizable styling of the original Accord body. Its aggressive stance, performance-oriented construction, and custom modifications make it an attention-grabbing attraction at cruise nights, automotive exhibitions, and specialty car events. The automatic transmission offers straightforward operation while allowing the vehicle to remain enjoyable during casual driving or exhibition use. Every aspect of the build emphasizes individuality and creativity, making this Accord stand apart from traditional muscle cars and import builds alike. With its uncommon platform, custom appearance, and distinctive engineering, this Pro Street Honda represents an opportunity for collectors seeking something truly different. Combining rare styling, extensive modifications, and excellent craftsmanship, the 1982 Honda Accord LXS Coupe delivers impressive visual impact while offering enthusiasts a memorable custom vehicle unlike almost anything else on the road today. 4. 1971 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $37,500, located, Golden, Colorado. The 1971 Chevrolet Nova is a lightweight pro-street drag car built to deliver impressive performance while retaining the classic appearance of one of Chevrolet's most respected muscle cars. Finished in white, this professionally constructed Nova features a steel body combined with lightweight fiberglass front clip, doors, deck lid, and bumpers to reduce overall weight without sacrificing durability. The custom 2x3-inch mild steel chassis incorporates front struts and a ladder bar rear suspension for outstanding stability and traction during hard acceleration. Power comes from a dependable 350 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine paired with a proven PowerGlide automatic transmission, creating a combination well known for consistency on the drag strip. A Mark Williams 40-spline 12-bolt rear axle provides exceptional strength and reliability under demanding race conditions. Weighing only around 2,320 pounds, this Nova delivers an excellent power-to-weight ratio for competitive bracket racing while remaining capable of being converted into a street-legal vehicle with minimal effort. The car includes a clean title and has been carefully assembled using quality racing components throughout. Combining lightweight construction, proven mechanical reliability, premium chassis engineering, and classic Chevrolet styling, this 1971 Nova represents an outstanding opportunity for racers seeking a versatile and highly capable drag racing platform. 5. 1955 Chevrolet 210 Pro Street. Price, $55,000, located, Pueblo, Colorado. The 1955 Chevrolet 210 Pro Street is a beautifully built American classic that blends timeless styling with serious big block performance. This street-legal two-doorpost sedan has been extensively upgraded while retaining the unmistakable character of the legendary Tri-5 Chevrolet. Under the hood sits a high-performance 454 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine topped with an impressive 871 supercharger and dual Holley carburetors, delivering exceptional horsepower and unmistakable blower performance. A turbo 400 automatic transmission transfers power through a quick-change Franklin rear end, allowing gear ratios to be changed easily for different driving conditions. The suspension has been upgraded with tubular front control arms, coilover shocks, front disc brakes, a new master cylinder, and a completely renewed wiring system. Additional improvements include stainless steel headers, dual electric cooling fans, MSD ignition, a 4-core aluminum radiator, and a full exhaust system exiting beneath the rear of the vehicle. The rear has been professionally tubbed to accommodate massive tires while preserving excellent street manners. Equipped with fully functional headlights, brake lights, and turn signals, this 1955 Chevrolet offers the perfect balance of show-quality appearance, reliable drivability, and impressive pro-street performance for enthusiasts who appreciate classic American muscle. 6. 1963 Chevrolet Nova Custom. Price, $72,000, located, Colorado Springs, Colorado. The 1963 Chevrolet Nova Custom is an award-winning pro-street machine that combines exceptional craftsmanship, powerful big block performance, and outstanding show-quality presentation. Finished in brilliant yellow with custom graphics and a black interior, this professionally built Nova has earned multiple car show awards thanks to its remarkable attention to detail and flawless appearance. Built around a rigid arc Morrison tube chassis, the vehicle delivers impressive structural strength while providing outstanding handling characteristics for high-performance driving. Power comes from a massive 468 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine paired with a dependable TCI automatic transmission, creating a proven combination capable of delivering exhilarating acceleration and exceptional reliability. The engine bay is filled with premium performance components that complement the professionally finished exterior and custom interior. Every detail of the build reflects careful planning and expert craftsmanship, making the car equally comfortable at competitive automotive exhibitions or weekend performance events. The clean body, vibrant paintwork, and unique graphics ensure this Nova attracts attention wherever it appears. Combining championship-level presentation, premium engineering, powerful big block performance, and legendary Chevrolet heritage, this 1963 Chevrolet Nova Custom stands as an outstanding investment for collectors and enthusiasts seeking an extraordinary pro-street classic built to the highest standards. 7. 1970 Ford Maverick LS Swap. Price, $18,000, located, Denver, Colorado. The 1970 Ford Maverick LS Swap project is an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts looking to complete a high-performance street or drag machine with many premium components already included. This roller has been carefully assembled and comes with an impressive collection of new LS performance parts, significantly reducing the cost and time required to finish the build. Included with the package is a Chevrolet 4.8-liter LS engine equipped with a performance camshaft kit, providing an excellent foundation for dependable horsepower in future upgrades. A brand new TH400 automatic transmission is also included, making this Maverick an ideal candidate for drag racing, pro street cruising, or weekend performance driving. Holley performance components have already been incorporated into the project, ensuring compatibility with modern fuel and engine management systems. The lightweight Maverick platform has long been respected for its excellent power-to-weight ratio, making it a favorite among racers seeking outstanding acceleration and handling. The seller notes that the vehicle includes numerous additional new parts beyond those specifically listed, adding even greater value for the next owner. Combining classic Ford styling, modern LS performance potential, quality aftermarket components, and exceptional customization possibilities, this 1970 Ford Maverick offers an excellent foundation for building a unique and highly competitive performance car. 8. 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $80,500, located, Berthoud, Colorado. The 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe is an extraordinary drag-and-drive machine engineered to compete in demanding events such as Drag Week, Race Week, and Sick Week while remaining completely street legal. Finished in bright red with a black interior, this professionally built Camaro combines incredible performance with long-distance reliability. Power comes from an Atlas Performance Racing Engine's 427 cubic inch LS V8 equipped with twin 74mm work turbochargers, a Holley Dominator electronic fuel injection system, and a Shearer fabrication water-to-air intercooler. Power is transmitted through a Bubba Gin Racing Transmission's 4L84-speed automatic gearbox to a Mark Williams Ford 9-inch rear axle with 3.50 gears. Running on E85 fuel and fitted with Mickey Thompson ET Street Pro radial tires, this Camaro recently completed more than 1,400 miles during Rocky Mountain Race Week while earning second place in the Ultimate Radial class. With only a handful of passes since completion, the car has already recorded an impressive 7.96-second quarter-mile at 178 miles per hour. Combining championship-level engineering, exceptional reliability, remarkable street manners, and outstanding race performance, this 1970 Chevrolet Camaro represents one of the finest modern drag-and-drive builds available for serious performance enthusiasts. 9. 1987 Pontiac Firebird Pro Street. Price, $36,000, located, Picayune, Mississippi. The 1987 Pontiac Firebird Pro Street is a professionally built street machine that delivers aggressive race-inspired styling while remaining comfortable and practical for regular cruising. Finished in bright red with a black interior, this clean title Firebird has been carefully upgraded using premium performance components without sacrificing everyday drivability. Under the hood sits a dependable 383 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine topped with a powerful WEON 671 supercharger and new Velocity Racing dual carburetors, producing impressive horsepower while operating on readily available pump gasoline. A freshly rebuilt TH400 automatic transmission transfers power to a narrowed Ford 9-inch rear axle featuring a professionally fabricated 4-link suspension and round tube back half chassis for maximum traction. Air ride suspension enhances ride quality while allowing the vehicle to achieve an aggressive stance. Additional features include power steering, power brakes, power windows, power locks, a new fuel delivery system, and massive Mickey Thompson rear tires that complete its unmistakable Pro Street appearance. Despite its race car styling, the seller describes this Firebird as a true street cruiser built with no expense spared. Combining reliable performance, modern comfort features, exceptional craftsmanship, and unmistakable muscle car character, this 1987 Pontiac Firebird is an outstanding choice for enthusiasts seeking a powerful and highly refined pro street classic. 10. 1996 Beretta Top Sportsman. Price, $60,000, located, Oakland, Tennessee. The 1996 Beretta Top Sportsman is a professionally built competition machine created for racers who demand consistent performance and proven results. Built on a lightweight chrome moly tube chassis with current 6.0 certification, this race car is designed to compete at a high level while offering exceptional durability. Power comes from a massive 632 cubic inch engine package paired with a freshly serviced 1.80 Powerglide transmission, delivering dependable launches and smooth operation. A fab 9-inch rear axle with 4.30 gears, titanium suspension bars, and brand new 4-link bars with fresh Heim joints provide excellent traction and stability under hard acceleration. The RacePack data acquisition system and MSD grid electronics allow precise tuning and monitoring for competitive racing. This Beretta is set up to consistently run in the 4.30 class and has previously recorded impressive 4.17-second passes with the current combination. The sale also includes nitrous bottles, flow meter, fuel, spark plugs, and a complete run logbook documenting performance history. Ready to head directly to the drag strip, this professionally maintained top sportsman race car offers outstanding value for serious competitors seeking a proven turnkey package. 11. 1991 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2D. Price, $18,000, located, Downsville, Louisiana. This 1991 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 has been purpose-built for drag racing while retaining several functional street-style features. Under the hood sits a dependable 385 cubic inch Dart SHP small block Chevrolet engine connected to a proven PowerGlide automatic transmission. Performance upgrades include Brodix aluminum cylinder heads, an Edelbrock intake manifold, and a 950 methanol velocity racing carburetor that delivers impressive throttle response and strong horsepower. An ultimate 12-bolt rear axle with ladder bars provides excellent traction, while QA1 adjustable shocks at all four corners improve stability during hard launches. Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes ensure confident stopping power after each run. A complete tubular front end reduces weight, and the car rides on Hoosier racing tires for maximum grip. The MSD grid ignition system and powerful 16-volt full-spectrum battery support reliable engine performance every pass. Functional headlights, taillights, marker lights, and windows add convenience beyond the racetrack. Consistently running 6.30-second eighth-mile passes at over 104 miles per hour, this Camaro is an outstanding turnkey race car for serious bracket racers. 12. 1970 Chevrolet SS. Price, $8,500, located, Haleyville, Alabama. This 1970 Chevrolet SS race car presents an affordable opportunity to own a lightweight drag racing platform that is already equipped with several desirable performance components. Built for a small block Chevrolet engine combination, the chassis is configured with a dependable 2-speed PowerGlide transmission and a 10-bolt rear axle carrying aggressive 4.88 gears for excellent acceleration. The car also features upgraded 5/8-wheel studs for improved durability under racing conditions. A brand new KNR switch panel and electric shifter have already been installed, making the electrical system modern and race-ready. Fuel delivery is handled by a Holley electric fuel pump, providing reliable support for future engine installations. Finished in red with a black interior, the classic muscle car styling remains attractive while serving as a dedicated drag racing project. Offered as a rolling chassis, this Chevrolet provides an excellent foundation for racers wanting to install their preferred power plant and customize the final setup. Whether intended for bracket racing or weekend competition, this classic offers tremendous value, proven race components, and outstanding potential at an affordable purchase price. 13. 1995 Ford Mustang GT Coupe 2D. Price, $20,000, located, Mountain Home, Arkansas. This 1995 Ford Mustang GT Coupe has been professionally transformed into a lightweight tube chassis drag car designed for serious racing competition. Built with a certified chassis and clean title, this Mustang provides an outstanding platform for multiple engine combinations, including big block Ford, small block Chevrolet, and big block Chevrolet applications. Matching motor plates and headers are included, allowing the next owner to complete the build according to personal preferences. The vehicle already contains a complete electronics package, fuel system, and numerous additional performance components, significantly reducing the time and expense required to finish the project. Its lightweight construction improves weight distribution while maximizing acceleration and consistency on the drag strip. Designed specifically for competitive racing, the chassis offers exceptional strength and flexibility for future upgrades. Whether building a bracket racer, grudge car, or high-performance strip machine, this Mustang provides an excellent starting point backed by quality fabrication and valuable included equipment. For enthusiasts seeking a versatile, professionally prepared race chassis with tremendous potential, this Ford delivers impressive value and outstanding performance possibilities.